Good morning everybody. Today we are having a look at the Nerf 2 Ultra. We are not going to be fixing this one today. It's got a missing battery thing and it's not currently in working condition. I think something might be up with that door. But today we're just going to be stripping it for parts and okay, let's go. Okay, now that we've finished taking all the screws out, we can open it up and see what it looks like inside. Okay, cool. So that's where the batteries go in normally, and it looks like the wires come off there and go in through a really basic circuit board and into the motors. Oh no, it goes through there down to the triggers where that momentary switch is, and then goes to the motors. Awesome. And it looks, when you pull this in, it's normally your motor for your button for motor for your flywheels. Push that in. It's got this lock piece here. When you push that in, it lines up with there, which means when you pull the trigger, it releases, which means you can only pull the trigger once that's been pulled back, and also pushes that which actuates everything else, and that spins that. One of the popular modifications to do is remove all these locks, like taking that out, which means you don't necessarily have to have your motor trigger pulled. You can just let it go. But today, pull that apart, pull that apart. And these here are momentary switches, which are for the trigger. These are quite cool to have for spares, because sometimes you're working on a project and you need another one of these. We'll save that. I don't think I'm wanting to keep any of this, but I do want to keep this flywheel system, because this flywheel system can be used for lots of other projects. Unfortunately, it's a different type of flywheel system to the Strife, which is my favourite gun. But we can still use this flywheel system for other little projects. It's another momentary switch. That would be... Not sure why that momentary switch is there. I'm sure it's got its purpose. Maybe it's a lockout switch. Well, that's a nice looking set of wires there. So I know I'm not going to want to keep that motor tray. So what we're going to do is we're going to go snippy snip. I'm going to keep the wires as long as possible. Snip there. And I think I want to keep that. So I'll keep that on there. And that's the flywheel system. The motors are in here. And they spin the flywheels and send it up flying. Pretty awesome. This bit is definitely worth keeping because it can make a two-stage flywheel system. So you could put like one there, and you could probably put another one there, maybe have another one in a new build, so it can makes the dart go faster and faster and faster. Yeah, that'd be cool. Wonder what we could use that for. I don't really. Maybe a pen holder? Yeah? What do we put it that way? Actually, that's probably a good way to... Yeah, that makes quite a good pen holder. Yeah, I like that. I don't think there's... Oopsie. Okay. I don't see anything else in here that I'm actually wanting to keep, so... I don't want those. Don't want that. Don't want that. All that. All that. All that, all the trigger. But yeah, out of that build, that cluster, I'm going to definitely keep the motors and my new pen holder. We will definitely do a project with this in the future. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep on nerfing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you've got anything you'd like to share, let us know in the comments below.